What's going on, everyone? Sal here, back again with another video. My favorite pump and dump is back in play. Ladies and gentlemen, Beyond Meat is a ticker I only look at when it's above $100 a share, and it climbed above $100 a share again, and that is why I am interested in Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat is a pump and dump. That's basically what it is, all right? If we look at the chart of Beyond Meat, again, I like to use the 4-hour chart because it really doesn't look good on the weekly or monthly. We don't have that much information yet. It's basically a baby when it comes to how old this company is as a publicly traded company. But just looking at the chart alone, you can clearly see that this is not an investment vehicle, right? This is not a chart of a real business that you invest in as what going to be, a legacy type of company, right? This is clearly a chart of, a product that is being traded by degenerates, right? Let's just keep it 100, all right? And every single run, right? Every single run, this is a new group of investors who have, made and fooled themselves into believing that Beyond Meat is indeed an actual reputable business, and it actually isn't. It's not a reputable business whatsoever, because what they do is so easy for anyone to do. There's basically no barrier of entry for any food company to want to come in and do what they're doing. All right, and that is just one of the many reasons that makes their current valuation ridiculous. Not as ridiculous as it was when it was trading for $240, but still ridiculous based on current net revenues that they're generating right now. Now, I know most of you guys who are listening to me, unfortunately, you don't like to read, so you're not going to pull up the February transcript. But if you did, you would have learned that Beyond Meat's biggest business is its frozen meat business. Its fresh meat business. Its frozen meat business is actually losing money and actually declined double digits last quarter. Its fresh meat business is really where the company's meat and potatoes are. They deliver their products to restaurants to sell. I am of the opinion that at the beginning of March, mid-March, and at the end of March, Beyond Meat took a strong hit to its business. I believe that Beyond Meat is not only not going to make earnings this quarter, right? Expected EPS of -6 cents. I believe it's going to be disastrous. I believe it's going to be a miss by well over 200%. They could end up coming out here and reporting losing $1 a share. That's how bad I think it could be. And I've got a trade for you that I'd like for you to take, for you to possibly make some money on. All right. And let's kind of talk about, before we get there, why Beyond Meat is where it is right now. Well, one, they have been releasing news to the tune of, one news break basically every other day. Starting out with the fact that they are coming out in China and releasing a deal with Starbucks, which, by the way, makes no sense in the age of coronavirus, because we know that Chinese people are not going to the restaurants like they were in December or January. That's a fact. You can Google that. All right. We also know that there's basically not going to be any material benefit to Beyond Meat for several quarters because of the significant capex that's going to be needed to be spent in order for them to make money out there. All right. That's two. All right. But three, again, the most important is that we understand for the next 2 quarters, Beyond Meat is practically going to be an unprofitable business. It's already an unprofitable business, but even more so. even more so. And what I'm suggesting traders do is not wait for the RSI to cool down. I think you need to jump into this position right now because that's how bad it's going to be for the longs. And I'm going to show you the trade that you need to get into. That's going to be a very, very and lucrative trading opportunity right now. And again, you can take a larger or smaller position. I'm just using the standard 5 contracts just as an example of how little you can put up and how much you could possibly make here with such a little investment. So we're going to go out to July 17th because that's the right thing to do here. All right. And you're going to sell the 55 call. You're going to buy the 60 call. Right. You're going to take in about $2,200 as of right now in credit. You're only going to spend about $300. Right. You're only spending about $300 to make this happen. And again, we're not looking to hold until Beyond Meat it's below $60 or below 55. We're not looking to do that. What we're just looking to do is we're looking for the quick downside move, thanks to earnings being disastrous, going to 75, going to 80, 85, even if it's just $10, $20 from where it's trading at right now, and you're going to make a quick 1,000, right, based on the current trade on the screen. It'd be an easy 1,000 on 300, right? Easy 1,000 on 300. So it's your boy Sal. Again, just playing probability here, going beyond the technicals and getting into fundamentals here. And Beyond Meat again is going to be a company that's going to pay the price dearly for being in the business that it's in, simply because many of its customers have closed their doors, are no longer in business the way the company is used to doing and servicing its customers. All right. Any questions, leave in the comments below. Please subscribe if you learned something new. All right. Or if you make some money on this. Until next time, take care.